Good afternoon. Thank you. I speak as a representative of the group in the workshop first, number one. So it was me and some students from the University of Turin. So we were a group of students together, speaking and discussing about the issues related to a peri-urban area in Turin, the Villareto park, or potential Villareto park in the peri-urban area of Turin. And it was quite challenging for us to get into this topic and this context, because we were a bit outside of this context. And then in a very short time we had to basically speak with some local stakeholders from the area, also from the municipality of Turin, and with a researcher, with a local farmer running one of the farms present on the area. We had to make our effort to really understand what was going on there. So the park is located. It's that area of 400 hectares, more or less, of which 270 hectares are cultivated, and there are approximately 14 farmhouses, and of which only 4 are within the municipality of Turin. And there are many critical issues in this area, since as we roughly point out and have been pointed out in our meeting with the stakeholder present there. First of all, the accessibility. There is a strong barrier, infrastructural barrier, due to the presence of a highway, and accessibility issues to really access the area, and also for its position in a patchwork of industrial platforms. And there have been within time missed opportunity by planning tools, by planning instruments to implement something in the area. There have been operational planning tools never implemented. A planning law in 1995, the new planning regulation, stated that park area should be preserved as park, and this was preserved as declared as park area. But actually, there is no planning regulation on the use of land that says that recognize urban agriculture as an urban function and as a legitimate urban function. So this is an issue also in relation to the farms that really want to expand and get funding from higher level, from the European level. They are constrained by local regulations. So there are many issues of fragmentation, as I said, and also some environmental issues of landfill present in the area. And also at the level of the farm, there is a tendency from the farmers to have an very individualist behavior. So they are not willing so much to cooperate among each other. And so this only to show what were pointed out during our meeting. And also, yes, lack of services and important services, and in the territory. Okay, and then we went on, also highlighted what could be potential opportunities for this area. And the proximity to the city is for sure an opportunity that should be investigated and should be basically more taken really as an opportunity. And if like the traditional planning instrument didn't work, maybe we should try to work on giving incentive to the small farm enterprises to diversify and provide market outlets for the urban and peri-urban communities, and work on the soft accessibility to the area basically for allowing, facilitating the access to the area, and incentivizing diversification and multifunctional diversification of the farms, and also work on the important issue of farm succession, what happened after the old farmers basically have to leave their activities, and what happens afterwards, and who is going to take over the activity of the farms present there. So another important suggestion is to look at the broader picture of the territory, not only concentrate on what is there, but see this area as a potential access gate to a broader, basically peri-urban area of agricultural park or a peri-urban agricultural area, which goes over the municipal or administrative boundaries. So this is what we could do in a very short time of a meeting, and but it was really interesting because it was very targeted to a concrete context, and this is what we think was the real value of this workshop. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you. Now I invite the students of the second workshop